Okay, so on to example 5. With this part, really, we're looking at the same thing that we would have done with differentiation in just making sure that everything we've got on sort of one level. So I don't really want x tied up as the denominator in fractions, so I'm going to try and get this up. And also we want any terms involving x expressed with powers, not with roots. So all we're going to do firstly is just equate this to 2x to the power of negative 3 minus 3x to the power of a half with respect to x, and now we can just continue as we have done previously. So increase the power by 1 is negative 2, divide by the new power is going to give me minus 1, so minus x to the power of minus 2, and then increase the power by 1, 3 over 2, divided by 3 over 2, same as times by 2/3, and 3 times 2/3 is just going to give us minus 2 x to the power of 3 over 2 plus my constant value. We can leave it there. You could turn it into a fraction. We could call this minus 1 over x squared, I guess. We could put this as root x all cubed, but I think in terms of what we're doing here, that's probably all right. So let's shift on to b. I didn't know how much room, so I've just left myself a bit here. So we're going to get x squared plus 2 over x, all with respect to x. And what we're going to do with this one is just multiply out the bracket. Again, we don't want brackets. We expand all brackets. We'd get, like we did in this one, any x that is on a denominator of fraction, get that up and remove any root symbols, replace them with powers. So we're going to say here, well, this is the same as the integral of x cubed plus, and then this is just going to give me 2 with respect to x. And when I integrate, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, and that's just going to give me a 2x plus c. I'll just quickly write out part c as well for you here. So hopefully you're able to get that down, or just pause the video at that point. So this is the integral of 2x all squared, so we're going to have to be careful there, plus root x plus 5 all over x squared integrated with respect to x. So a little bit of work to do on this one. Firstly, we have to just remember to expand out this bracket. 2x squared is 2x times 2x is going to give me 4x squared. And then if there's only a single term on a denominator, I can just divide each term in turn by x squared. So this is x to the power of a half divided by x squared. And remember that when we're dividing, we're simply going to subtract the power. So a half take away 2 is going to give us x to the power of minus 3 over 2, and then plus 5x to the power of minus 2. And we're going to differentiate that with respect to x. Sorry, integrate that with respect to x. So increase the power, divide by the new power, all the way through. And oops, sorry, just marked up that one, went the wrong way. And don't forget our plus c at the end. Alright, hope that's okay. Remember, you can always pause the videos, get down, make notes as you need, and you can always contact me through Edmodo if you need to.